So you begin to think about how do we, as being kernels in that same basket, how do we, in a sense, look and deal with that? Well, one of the ways you deal with it is becoming a more cohesive, more conscious community. Community of practice and also community of action. And so as you think about, the experiences that you had, the workshops that you had today and yesterday, as you think about your own work, as your own inner work, continues to happen and expresses itself in the outer work that you do, I hope that you begin to think more in terms of the importance of the need and the essentialness of community. The kinds of issues we face today are not necessarily issues that any one individual, can really, practically deal with. It's going to happen. Change happens through communal, collaborative action. And so, as you begin to think about that, you have to also begin to think about how your work connects to the work of others. And so that's what I've been doing as an Indigenous educator. Focus on Indigenous education, Native education, primarily in the United States, is how does the work I do or the work that we do among my group dovetail and intersect with the work that all of you do. And so I think it's a time of exploration, it's a time of action, it's a time to think very deeply about the work that you do in relationship to community, and in the sense to begin to consciously create community in every form that you can. For me, as an educator, I see that we have two quintessential issues that we have to deal with. And they're both ecological, and they're both about relationship. The first is, of course, the natural environment, and how we, in a sense, re-establish a relationship to that environment that is sustainable, healthy, and whole. The other one is how do we establish a relationship with each other, like the kernels on the corn cob. That relationship is a social ecology. Which in a sense goes hand in hand with the physical ecology, because we're doing it in reference to that, and very, very much is founded on our abilities to create or recreate community. And somewhere in the middle there is something called spirituality, because that's basically the glue that pulls both of those, that physical and that social, together in some kind of cohesive way. So, as I, think about what we've talked about, over these past 2 days and the work that I do, I wanted to share with you, these thoughts and these ideas, these perspectives. And I really thank you for your kind attention and your bright eyes as we hopefully move forward, through time and through the work that we do. To a new place, which I hope is a place of goodness and a place of community. So with that, we cool down, as we say, thank you.